Welcome to Property Pics, transforming real estate photography. I'm Erica. Our app allows you to effortlessly capture professional quality listing photos on your own, offering faster editing turnaround, cost savings compared to hiring a professional, and eliminating the wait for a contractor to schedule a photo shoot. This brief tutorial will show you how to use the app efficiently, guaranteeing client satisfaction. Creating a real estate photography project is easy. Open the Property Pics app and select Create New Project. Confirm project details. Follow the house prep instructions. Turn your phone off silent mode and turn up your volume. Clean camera lenses on your iPhone using your shirt. Turn on all lights, open blinds, and turn off fans. Shoot from the corner of each room. Hold your iPhone level, avoiding tilting down or rolling horizontally. Shoot photos at about eye height when seated, approximately 4 to 5 feet from the ground. Before taking a picture, set the exposure by tapping on the brightest part of the room, which are usually lights or windows. Each photo should be a series of 5 images. Remain as still as possible during this process. If satisfied with the unedited preview, select Keep, otherwise choose Retake. Shoot in the order you would like the photos to be arranged on the MLS. Start outside, take 3 images, left, right, and center of the front view. Move inside, shoot each room, ending in the backyard. We recommend 2 images per room for complete coverage. Stand in the corner of each room for optimal angles. A pro tip is to lean against walls to reduce camera shake. Click Finish. Select the images for editing or choose Select All for all images. Confirm your selections. Add any special editing requests in the description box for the editors. We offer light bulb replacement, object removal, TV screen replacement, grass replacement, virtual twilights, and virtual staging. Do not close the app to ensure photos are uploaded. Editing will begin once all photos are uploaded, with final images delivered within 24 hours. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to text us at the number on the screen. We're always here to help. Stay tuned for more updates and tips from Property Pics.